In this video, I'll guide you through how to make a QR code for your Substack newsletter. By the end, you'll have a shareable code you can use on flyers, social media, business cards, or anywhere you want people to quickly subscribe with just a scan. To follow along, you'll need an existing Substack newsletter and access to your account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that first so the steps are smooth and uninterrupted. Let's start by heading over to substack.com in your browser. You can do this on a computer for the best experience, though it also works on a tablet or a larger phone screen. Once the page loads, sign in if you haven't already, and then select the publication you want to create a QR code for. This is important if you manage more than one newsletter, because each publication will have its own unique QR code that links directly to its subscription page. After you're inside your Substack dashboard for the right publication, look for the settings option. You'll usually find this in the main navigation area, often along the top or on the left side of the screen, depending on your layout. Click on settings to open up all the configuration options for your newsletter. The settings page is where Substack keeps everything related to how your newsletter behaves, your publication details, design, payments, and more. For the QR code, we're interested in the tools that help you grow your audience, so the next thing you'll do is find and click on the section labeled Growth. Go ahead and click Growth. This area is designed to help you get more readers and email subscribers. Here, Substack bundles a few different features: referral programs, sharing tools, and, in our case, a built-in QR code that points new readers straight to your sign-up page. Using Substack's own QR code is helpful because it's automatically tied to your correct URL, so you don't have to worry about copying links or pasting them into a third-party QR tool. Once you're in the growth section, look for an option related to your QR code. You should see a panel or card that shows a preview of the QR code that Substack has generated for your newsletter. This code is already configured to direct people to your publication's main subscribe page, so you don't need to adjust any settings to make it work. Now find the button or link that says Download on QR code and click it. Substack will generate a file with your QR code, typically as an image format like PNG or sometimes SVG. Your browser will either save it to your default downloads folder or ask where you'd like to store it. Take a second to note where it's saved so you can use it later. That downloaded image is ready to go. You can drop it into a print design, add it to slides, or upload it to social media. Before you start sharing it widely, it's a good idea to test it. Open your phone's camera or a QR scanning app, point it at the code, and confirm that it takes you straight to your Substack newsletter page. And that's all you need to do. By going to Substack, opening settings, clicking growth, and downloading your QR code, you've created a quick, professional way for people to access and subscribe to your newsletter in just one scan.